Hey guys, welcome to my eyebrow tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as of yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Grab your favorite eyebrow brushing tool and brush out your eyebrows. Grab your favorite eyebrow shading tool. Outline your eyebrows. I go in lightly. You can actually use your nose as a way to tell you exactly where your eyebrows should start, where your eyebrows should end, where your arch should be placed as well. But it's up to you. Do exactly the same thing that you did on the one eyebrow to the next. One thing you want to make sure you do is when you're outlining the top part, just stop, I would say midway or just right before. Now you're going to go ahead and start to lightly shade in your eyebrows. Make sure you're shading it in the direction that your hair is going as well. Once you finish shading that in, go ahead and clean it with the spoolie. And now do the same thing that you did on the one eyebrow onto the next. Now you want to go in with your favorite concealer. It should be a shade lighter than you. You're going to outline the bottom of your eyebrow with the lighter shade. And go ahead and outline the next one as well. You're going to take a darker shade concealer. I like to mix it with the lighter shade. And go ahead and outline the top part of your eyebrow. You can also go ahead and just fix the bottom part if you need to as well. Go ahead and take your sponge and blend in the concealer that you used. Here's your spoolie to clean. I'm just going back in to fix certain areas. Shade it in as well. You might feel like you're going through the same process over and over again, but trust and believe that it's worth it. Again, use your nose as a way to measure where your eyebrows should start and where your eyebrows should end, as well as it'll give you direction of where your arch should go, but it's up to you. So when you get to the front part, you just want to blend it in a little. That way it looks more natural. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you.